Welcome to Magic Indicator Strategies. Today we will show you one of the most effective indicator strategies we found on TradingView. This trading system is perfect for beginners as well as for advanced traders. It can produce a lot of high-quality signals per day. Also, it does not involve a bunch of complicated rules to be followed. You do not need any premium or paid indicators for this strategy. This method works for Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and any other market that has a high level of liquidity. It shows excellent results on shorter time frames such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. Traders, before we start, be sure to click the like button on this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies. So, how can we build this indicator setup? Well, here are the steps to take. Firstly, open any chart on the TradingView platform. Head over to the Indicators menu and search for the first indicator, which is called Extreme Trend. Choose this indicator created by Jyoti Prasad. You do not need to change any settings for this indicator. The Extreme Trend is a simple to follow buy and sell indicator. This tool contains a 200 exponential moving average that acts as long-term trend confirmation, a trend trail based on the average true range indicator, and these buy and sell triangles. We will use the Extreme Trend as our main confirmation indicator. For indicator number 2, add the CM-MACD custom indicator. Leave its settings on default as well. CM-MACD is an improved version of a regular moving average convergence-divergence indicator. It contains MACD lines that change color every time a cross occurs. This makes the indicator much easier to read. It also has a histogram that shows price momentum and a middle level. For the third indicator, add a regular volume tool. Simply search for volume and select this indicator that you can see under Technicals. Once you've added this tool to the chart, open its settings and enable the moving average. Set its length to 30. Now you have the setup ready. Let's learn the exact rules for entering long and short trades. For a buy position, wait for the Extreme Trend indicator to print a blue triangle below the price bar. At the same time the signal is printed, the closing price must be greater than the 200 EMA. The second step is to look at the MACD indicator. The histogram must be green. And the very last bullish cross must occur below the zero line. Finally, check the volume for sufficient bullish orders. The bar must be green. It also needs to break above the moving average. Place a buy order at the close of the price bar. Set the stop loss below the recent swing low. Exit a winning trade as soon as you see an orange triangle printed above the price bar. It's important to remember that you can only exit a trade that is profitable. Let's take a look at another example. Pay close attention to every single detail. Here the Extreme Trend indicator finds the best price to enter a long trade. The closing price is above the 200 period moving average, which is a sign of an uptrend. Also keep an eye on the MACD indicator. You can see that the bullish cross on the MACD lines occurred below the zero level. The current histogram is green, which signals strong upward momentum. The volume indicator confirms the signal. So you place an order to buy at the close of the price bar and exit the trade at the sell signal. Now let's learn the rules for short trades. Firstly, wait for the indicator to print an orange triangle above the price bar. At the time this happens, the price must be closed below the 200 period moving average, confirming a downtrend. Secondly, check the MACD indicator. The histogram must be red. Also, the very recent bearish cross must occur above the zero line. Lastly, make sure high bearish volume is present. For that, the bar must be red. It also needs to break above the moving average. If these conditions are met, place a sell order at the close of the candlestick. Exit a winning short trade as soon as you see a blue triangle printed. Take a look at some more examples. Watch how the indicator finds the perfect price for placing a sell order. The downtrend is confirmed by the position of the price against the EMA. The MACD displays a bearish cross. In order to avoid entering an oversold market, the cross must occur above the zero line. Always remember that. If you don't follow this rule, the risk of getting into the trade too late is very high. Also make sure to check the volume. We tested this strategy on the price of Bitcoin on the 5 minutes time frame. Its success ratio was 80%, which is amazing. If you want to save yourself a lot of time, you can create alerts for this strategy. The way you can do that is by clicking on the alerts button at the top and selecting the X trend as a condition. The next step is to choose the type of signal. You can create 2 separate alerts, one for a buy and one for a sell signal. Make sure to enable the alert once per bar close. You will be notified every time the indicator gives a signal. Be sure the rest of the conditions are met before entering a trade. Thanks for watching this video. We wish you great success in your future trades.